If you've lost access to your Instagram account, if your account was hacked, or if Instagram has completely disabled your profile, give me just 2 minutes and I'll show you how you can get your account back quickly and easily. You won't have to spend thousands of dollars, waste hours with unresponsive support, or use outdated methods that might permanently disable your account. In just a moment, you'll discover what you can do today to recover your Instagram account fast and how to secure it afterward so that once it's back in your hands, you'll know exactly how to make sure this never happens again. More than that, you're about to learn the two most common mistakes 90% of people make when they lose access to their Instagram account. These mistakes don't just lower your chances of getting your account back. In many cases, they can cause permanent disabling of your account. If this sounds relevant to you, keep watching. Welcome. We are a private cybersecurity company specializing in social media security, particularly Instagram. Here are just a few people who lost access to their accounts over the past year and trusted us to help them get them back. Our team focuses on simplifying solutions, and what I'm about to teach you is so simple that even a 10-year-old could do it. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know the right steps, and that's exactly what I'm offering here. But first, let me share the two biggest mistakes I've seen people make. Mistake number 1. What's the first thing most people do when they lose access to their Instagram account? They Google, "What to do if my Instagram account is hacked?" Now, this might seem logical, but here's the problem. Instagram frequently changes its recovery links. When you click on outdated links from random forums, blogs, or Facebook groups, you're likely using recovery links that no longer work. In fact, using the wrong recovery link can do more harm than good. In this guide, we've simplified this process. You'll get access to the most up-to-date recovery links, updated daily, so you don't fall into the trap of using outdated links. Mistake number 2. Waiting too long to start the recovery process. The longer you wait after losing access, the lower your chances of getting your account back. Here's the golden rule. Start working on your recovery process as soon as possible. If more than 3 days pass without action, you significantly reduce your chances of recovering your account. So, what can you do to get your Instagram account back? You have 3 options. Option 1. Give up on your account. Create a new one from scratch. But that means losing all your followers, photos, messages, and memories. And here's the scary part. If your account was hacked, the hacker still has access to your photos, DMs, and even your contacts. In most hacking cases, it's not you who becomes the main victim. It's your friends and family. Hackers will impersonate you, message your contacts, and try to scam them. Option 2, the expensive route. You can hire a cybersecurity company, but here's the catch. They'll charge anywhere from $750 to $5,000, depending on the complexity of your case. And what do? They guide you through the exact steps outlined in this guide. Option 3, the easy way. You purchase the Instagram Insider 2.0 Recovery Guide for just $27. In just 2 minutes, you'll gain instant access to step-by-step instructions that walk you through the entire process. This is the exact system we've used to help thousands of clients recover their accounts. But here, you won't be paying thousands of dollars. When you purchase the guide, you'll get a 50-page step-by-step recovery guide, up-to-date recovery links, refreshed daily, a professionally drafted legal letter template worth $2,500 to escalate your case, the Instagram Security 2.0 course valued at $237, showing you how to secure your account permanently. All of this, with a total value of over $3,234, is yours today for just $27. And I promise, it's so simple that anyone can follow along. Our team has helped over 867 people in 2024 alone get their Instagram accounts back. And now, we're making the same system available to you. And if you're still unsure, we've got you covered. With our 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, you can try the guide risk-free. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the button below to get instant access to the Instagram Insider 2.0 Recovery Guide and start taking back control of your account today. Click below to get instant access now. Let us help you get your Instagram back where it belongs, in your hands.